crazy, just poison the daisy. And people say, yeah, she's sweet but a side.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Rahim bin Abdul Karim and my number matrix is 2024221632. Okay, I'm from class 80240 2A. Okay, today I want to tell about the smart technology in agriculture. The technology I use is lawnmower. Okay, my content is introduction of lawnmower. Which what type suitable for use lawnmower. Third, how the lawnmower to solve the current issue in agriculture. For advantage and disadvantage, and lastly is solution.
Introduction to remote control grass cutter technology. Recently, technological advancements have transformed sector like agriculture, and one such innovation is the remote control grass cutter, designed to make lawn and field maintenance easy, more efficient, and precise. This mower allows user to cut large area of grass without physical effort or direct control, offering flexibility and convenience.
This is example traditional method is knapsack grass cutter.
The issue faced by if not use remote control grass cutter. Firstly, it increases labor costs, because traditional grass cutting method often require more workers to manage large agriculture fields, especially in areas with dense vegetation or uneven terrain. Without a remote control grass cutter, the needs for manual labor increase, leading to high labor costs. Secondly, environmental impact. Gas power mower or manual machine generally consume more fuel than electric or battery power remote control grass cutter. Without remote control technology, agriculture operation may continue to rely on fuel-intensive equipment, which is contribute to higher fuel costs and greater carbon emission. Thirdly, impact crop yields. If a grass and weed are not constantly controlled, they can compete with a crop for light, water, and nutrient, which could negatively affect crop yields. Traditional grass cutting method may not provide the consistent and timely moving necessary to prevent this competition. Okay, I'm gonna tell four components and how it's work. Okay, first, power sources. Most remote control grass cutter run on rechargeable battery, which is provide the power necessary to operate the motor, wheels, and the cutting blades. Secondly, cutting mechanism. The cutting mechanisms typically consist of sharp blades that rotate high speed, and the blades are either circular and rotary and reversible for cutting the grass evenly. The height of the blades can usually be adjusted to suit different type of grass and use preference. Remote control operation. The main feature of a remote control grass cutter is the wireless remote control that allow the user to operate the machine from the distance. The remote typically has a button for controlling. One, start and stop of the mower. Number two, speed control for a for faster or lower moving. Number 3, direction controller to move forward, backward, and turn turn it left or right. Cutting high adjustment if available. Lastly, a range. The remote control typically work in a specific range, usually from 30 to 100 meters, depend on the model. Sensor. Many remote control grass cutter equipped with a sensor that detect obstacles such as tree, rock, or human. These sensors help the mower avoid the collisions by automatically change the direction when object is detected. Okay. The importance of technology remote control grass cutter are divided into 3. Firstly, convention. Remote control grass cutter allow use to mow the lawn or field without physical pushing the mower. This makes it especially beneficial for people who may have physical limitations such as the elderly or those with a mobility issue. Second, precision. Remote control grass cutter are designed to maintain as a consistent cutting high and pattern, ensuring an even and uniform lawn. This result in well maintenance. Okay, thirdly, safety features. Since the user operate the mower remotely, they can keep a safe distance from the blades, reducing the risk of the accident. Many models also feature automatic shut-off function if the mower is lifted or tilted, prevent injury. Advantage between remote control grass cutter and knapsack grass cutter. Last, I compare which technology good for or suitable for agriculture. Okay, portability and flexibility. Remote control grass cutter offer portability as it can be moved easily around the lawn or field without the need for physical effort from the user. It can be controlled from a distance, allowing flexibility in operation. Knapsack grass cutter. The knapsack design allow the use the way the machine on the back, make it easy to move around and work in areas that are difficult to reach with large mower. It's ideal for working in tight space and uneven terrain. Environmental benefit. Remote control grass cutter. Many model battery power or electric reducing emission compared to gas power mower. They quicker and produce less pollution, making the eco-friendly choice. Knapsack grass cutter. Some models are electric or use less fuel than large gas power mower. This result in fewer emission and lower noise level, making them more environmentally friendly for use and surrounding community. Lastly, safety feature. Remote control grass cutter. The user remain at a safe distance from the mower, reducing the risk of injury. Many models have automatic shut-off feature if the mower is lifted or encounters an obstacle. Knapsack grass cutter. Knapsack grass cutter. The operator is in close control of the machine, but since the cutting blades are usually farther from the user, there is less risk of injury.
What do we learn from the advantage of know that the types of plants suitable for agriculture are palm oil and rubber? This is an example of a video that uses a remote control grass cutter in oil palm. Grass cutter has made a new innovation, which is GPS grass cutter. One of the smart technology is to use IoT. For example, use GPS and 3D visual. GPS technology to navigate and grass cutter efficiently. This technology allows the grass cutter to precisely follow a predetermined path, avoid obstacles, and ensure uniform coverage of the area to be mowed. 3D visual refer to any graphic, image, or visual reception that use a three-dimensional. The angle and distance from which the object is viewed to change how the 3D object appears. As you move around the object or change your viewpoint, the visual perspective adapts algorithmically.
In conclusion, remote control grass cutter represent a significant advancement in law and field maintenance technology. They offer numerous benefits, including infection, convenience, and precision, making them ideal for both residential and commercial application. By allowing use to more large area without physical effort, this machine reduces labor cost, save time, and delivery of consistent uniform cut and compact knapsack cutter use fuel. Need a lot of workers and not suitable for large area.